So, how does an earthquake happen? Well, first of all, you need to have two tectonic plates rubbing or pushing against each other. So here I've got one tectonic plate here, and this is, over this side, is another tectonic plate. So I've got these two tectonic plates rubbing against each other, and here's another picture of two tectonic plates rubbing against each other. This is a picture of the San Andreas Fault, but there's two tectonic plates, so two of those big plates on Earth are pushing up against each other. So what happens is, when two tectonic plates are pushing or rubbing against each other, sometimes they get a bit stuck because the edges are really jagged. So they get a bit stuck and they kind of push past each other. And when that happens, when they kind of get a bit stuck and pull a bit, the Earth around them can shake. And these waves, or these seismic waves, can move out from the point where they got stuck and then they jolted or crashed into each other. So what happens in terms of the anatomy of an earthquake really is the point where the tectonic plates start to shoot off these seismic waves is called the focus. It's also called the hypocenter. So we could write here hypocenter. So that's the point where the earthquake actually originates or starts. And if we go directly up from the hypocenter, we actually get to the epicenter. And that's basically the point on the surface of the Earth, which is directly above the focus or the hypocenter. So you've got these two tectonic plates which are rubbing against each other. That causes the Earth to shake when they move past each other or crash into each other a bit. These wave fronts or seismic waves move out from the focus or the hypocenter of the earthquake, and the epicenter is the point directly above the Earth where the earthquake is the strongest. And the further away you move from the epicenter of an earthquake, the less you'll feel the earthquake, so the less you'll feel the ground shake. So that's basically how an earthquake works.